Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about Aussie index and the Aussie pairs trade. So let's get started. Yesterday I made a video, right, about pound index and pound pairs, right? So let me quickly show you that this was the pound index 40-minute chart setup on the 15th Feb, right? I said we're gonna go from here to here, and this is the first target, and then it can go more than that, which it did. Right? So it went all the way up. That's 40-minute. That's pound getting strong, and I said this was gonna happen and may send pound pairs to the upside. And look at these trades: pound pairs, pound USD. This is my entry here. These lines, you can see this is the entry here, right? And this is the SL move to break even plus. So this is pound Aussie long, pound New Zealand long, and pound USD again long, and then pound yen long. All of them are long. Again, this pound New Zealand long all the way up to 165 from this entry. Forget about this one on this one. Only this one, right? So these were the pound. And this in this video I said that there's something else cooking for the next day, which was Aussie index. And obviously the same thing. So Aussie index, I'll show you the chart if I have it here. This one. This is the chart I made on the 17th. Pound index, I made it for 15. This is the 17th. That Aussie index 40-minute chart is right here, but it will go up to this high and 78%, which is 45, 42. And from there it will drop. And if we flip to the downside, I have written here, if we flip to the downside, then what will happen? EA, GA up, and AU, AC, and AJ down. Among these pairs, usually I don't trade AC at all. Sometimes AU, but yeah, EA, GA a lot, and AJ also a little bit, right? So what happened? This is what it is. It is making like a right shoulder here, and this diagram here, and this is one of the scenarios. This is still the second style of price movement that I made these charts a long time ago. So the trades start to go in that direction. When this is the next chart, this is what happened finally, right? Today, as of today, when I closed my trades. So it went up, hit the 78.6%, and started to drop. Okay, and fulfilling this. So far we are at the neckline here. See this one, right? Break that, and we're gonna drop below and go right there. That's the idea. And the idea was EA, GA will go up and AJ will go down. What did I do? This is the AJ. First entry was here, right? Entry and exactly at the same time when that was hitting, the index was hitting the 78%, and this is how it is. And even let me show you, because somebody was asking that how come you took this trade. So let me show you that this is, I wrote down here, this is on the Telegram, and I said, okay, this is what's happening, and Aussie index went up to complete the right shoulder, and now it's dropping. And even before that, if you notice that I put this chart here saying that please watch this Aussie index chart very closely, as it can give us many good trades. And then I put this message here: look for AJ short. Okay, so I send the signal out there that that's what's going to happen. That's what I'm planning. And this is, I tweeted on February 18, where the trade is coming on the 21st, right? So I was prepared for that, and Aussie news was coming, so I tweeted about that. And look, watch AJ for shorts and GA and AEA for long, if Aussie have a bad news or index goes down, right? That's clearly, I send out the message that this is what's going to happen, and this is what I'm looking for, and this is. And then also I said in EA, so far we held above 58.27. What is the meaning of it? That we are holding this number, and we are staying above, so we will go up. That's what I was expecting in these messages before that. Okay, and then I switch to pound news and euro, and I have to cover everything, right? So the message was out there that this is what's going to happen, and as soon as that thing flipped from here, AJ is going to go down, EA is going to go up. So if I took this, what is special about it? It was all planned. I've been screaming, I've been telling, I send out the chart, I send out the messages on the Telegram that this is what's going to happen. Take, watch it closely, everything. All those messages were there, right? Kalvinda, that's what I'm talking to you now, because you send me the email that you don't understand, so can I explain? So that's what I'm explaining, that you have to watch out these numbers. And by the way, this is also very, very strong. Let me see if I see. Okay, here, see Aussie yen, 20-minute. Here is the big level, not big, but there was a SNL level as well, 79.69. And where it is, let me show it to you if you missed that. So you have to pay attention, bro. See 69, 79.69 right there, this low here, made the high right there. Okay, and then start dropping. So weekly chart, you have the template, you have the chart. And like I said, that don't spread yourself in too many trades. Just few pairs that you really like, or expecting the one that we are expecting that they're gonna move. I've been keep telling you that AJ short, EAGA long, making the charts, giving you the charts. So that's what you look for, and then you pay attention where the price is, and then the news came out, and the reaction happened. Okay, and so this is the first entry, and then what happened? The second entry down the road, I posted this chart here, and then look, on the 21st, I said AJ short setup in place, and before that, I warned you that Aussie index went up to complete the right shoulder, and now is dropping. Aussie index is dropping. That means AJ is gonna go down, and EAGA is gonna go up, right? And then even I warned you about the setup. The setup was there. And did I take that setup? That setup, I was talking about this one here. By the way, I took this one here, right? But it knocked me out. I got knocked out. My SL was break even. No loss here in this area. But this is the one that I even said, okay, let me put it on the Telegram. And look, this is what it is. Exactly there. Start dropping. I got in here again and cash out here. That was probably like 39, 40, 42 pips, something like that. So these are the trades which I was screaming that, that's going to happen, and this is what I'm going to do. And the first one, like I said, there was a level, and exactly that trade, entries came exactly the same time as the index hit 78% and start dropping. Okay. So, and then in the meantime, EA is supposed to go up. So here you have an EA trade, which it was 80 pips from here to here. Forget about this. You're talking about 21 and 800 hour. The trading started like 200 hour down here somewhere. The turn was almost like 200 hour of 21, February 21st. So any of these entries would be this one, a lot of entries. But I was busy in some other places, and then this is the only one I took, and it went up nice and clean, 80 pip right here. And these are the ones. GA I totally missed. Okay, I missed because I wasn't focused. Now, this is the reason that I, sometimes I just don't put the messages there exactly or my entries, because I'm too busy and too focused. You have to be focused on the trades and the charts rather than doing chatting and then or emailing back and forth on the busy time. When London Open, I got a couple of emails exactly at London Open. How can I answer back those emails? That is the time the market moves, buddy. You have to be very, very careful. Very careful about that, and focus on the plan that you already have made in the slow time. Asian session, you make your plan, or when the market is closed or slow time, the Saturday, Sunday, that this is what you're gonna do. This is what's gonna happen. If it goes up, fine. EA, I said 50 at 27. If it stays above and the bad news comes out for Aussie, it will go up. All you gotta do is just open the chart, keep refreshing it, and then take your entries. And put the SL in the back. That's it. Okay, so this is how it is. These are the only 3 trades so far. A couple of trades in Aussie, and then I had a couple of other pairs. Yeah, but I just want to show you that Aussie index and pair involving Aussie. What did I do? 2 trades in Aussie yen and 1 entry. And any of these entries, you can see that they never came back and hit the SL. They were clean entries. Clean entries. Okay, so this is how it is. So I hope, Kalvinder, that it is clear for you that how I took this. Here I didn't wrote down the level, but I was watching. Remember, I have different MT4 open at the same time. One I'm watching, the other one I'm doing my analysis. The other one is like have alarm. It's all messed up. So I was doing thing at one and then taking the trade on the other. So that's why the level is not there, but it was there, and I was watching it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, so I hope it's clear for you that once you have that's why I call it a system. It's just not the signal service that just go buy and sell. I'm not gonna tell anybody to buy or sell. I can tell you that there's a setup for buy or sell, and I teach you how to take it and how to trade and everything, so that tomorrow, if I'm not in this world, you can still carry on with your trading once you learn it. And it's easy if you pay attention, learn properly. That's it. And keep asking questions. As long as you don't understand, I will keep explaining it and showing it step by step, that which trade, what is the reason, what is the level, and basically what to look for before the trading. And this is the Euro index, Aussie index, and Aussie trades, AJ, EA trades that I took. I was planning days before what happened, right? I made the chart, the Aussie index chart of 17, and here I am taking the trades on 20th, 21st. Why? Because this is what happens. Now we are back to, if I can see here, it's Aussie. No, yeah, no. Let me just go to the index. I'll show you just now. Aussie index here. Excuse me. That it is at the neckline exactly, and now bouncing, because I believe somebody came from Australia, and they talk about it. Something this evening, and it usually bounces after hitting some support like that. It bounced, and then I think that is going to continue to the downside and breaking the support. Oh, come on, my charts change now. Nowadays, when I open this webinar site, everything slows down. And see, here's the chart, right? So this is the neckline here. See, this was it before it bounced from here, went straight to 78%, and I said we're gonna drop all the way down here. So we came back, hit the support, bouncing, and just basically making a short setup again and getting ready to drop again. So it will drop again. And hopefully, I'm not, promising or something. I can't, but I'm just watching and then speculating that this is what's going to happen. So I'll probably start taking my entries again. Okay, so this is how it is. Hope that helps, Kalvinder, and everybody else. This is how we trade here, and plan your trade your plan with the confidence, with proper calculation, rather than just buy, sell, pressing the button. Right, and not knowing what's happening. So this is how you learn the Elliott wave, the harmonic patterns, head and shoulder, beautiful head and shoulder pattern here, wonderful, right? All right, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching for my video. And then if you like the video, just press the like button so that it will go more and more people will watch and benefit. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.